Got something from the GOAT app that didn't fit or feel right? No worries, returning item is quick and easy. In this short video, I'll show you exactly how to request a return in the GOAT app. Just follow the simple steps and you'll be done in no time. So, let's get started. First, open the GOAT app and tap your profile icon. Hit the settings icon at the top left. Scroll down and select support. In the top right, tap contact us. On the next screen, tap new request. Fill in the return form, include your email, order number, product type, and reason. Once done, hit submit at the bottom. You only have 3 days from the day you receive the item to request a return. Returns must be unworn and in original packaging to be accepted. Refunds are issued as GOAT credit, minus shipping and processing fees. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.